In the last video, we learned how to list products in a shopping app. Today, we'll cover a smaller part, how to display the details of a specific product. We'll wrap each product row in a gesture detector so that tapping it opens a new page. To start, we'll create a new file, product_details_page.dart, and define a stateless widget called product details page inside it. Then, we'll declare a product list item variable named product. Import the file containing the product list item class, and pass the product variable in the class constructor to access the product details on this page. Then, return a scaffold inside the build function. Set the title in the app bar using the product's name, product.name. Next, add a stack widget in the body and use stackFit.expand to control how its children fit within the available space. Inside the stack's children, add a SingleChildScrollView. Inside this SingleChildScrollView, add a column widget. Then, include the product image using the ClipRect widget, wrapping it in a hero widget for smooth transitions. Then display the product name using a text widget, wrapped in padding for spacing. Next, display the product price in a text widget using product.price, followed by the product description in product.description. Inside the stack widget, add an elevated button labeled Add to Cart positioned after the SingleChildScrollView. Place this elevated button inside a positioned widget with padding. The onPressed function for the button will be added in the next video. Now, open the product_list_item_view.dart file. Here, set up the onTap function to navigate to the product details page using the push function. Import the product_details_page.dart file, and pass the product as a parameter. Then run the app. When we tap on a product, it redirects to the product details page where the image and details are displayed. We'll add more features like Add to Cart, Cart Page, and Remove from Cart in the next video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.
Thank you for watching.